Good morning. This is Shell Public School. I am Naveen Chaudhary. I am starting a class 12th session today. Session first, we will discuss today on your curriculum, your syllabus of session 2020-21. Good morning, all of the students. First, we will start this video. I am requesting you, all the students of class 12th, this is informatic practices class, and I need all the students watch regularly our sessions, our videos. I congratulate last year students to got a topmost result, number of 2 distinctions in informatic practices in class 12th. Also, you all are the student of class 11th upgrade in class 12, and we will discuss today our curriculum of next session. So number of chapter 1 to 3 is a part of some basic knowledge. 4 to 6 and 7 to 8 are practical, and 9th or 11th chapters are the some theory chapters are there. We will discuss a partition wise all the chapters and topics are there, including the chapters. First chapter, that is computer networking, and some learning objectives in this chapter are define about and what are the computer networks, some benefits of networking, list of different wired and wireless communication medias, identify different types of network devices are there, identify the types of network on the basis of area covered are there, describe the various terms associated with the computer networks, and various security threats of computer networks to the computer networks, list the preventive and corrective measures against these threats. Some security reasons are there with the computer networks. We have discussed about all the computer networking topics in this chapter. These are the PDF I will provide you on the school web application, Shell Public School. You have to download from the Shell Public School application and the download center. These chapters 1 to 3, 4 to 6 and 7 to 8 and 9 to 11 we have to put on the application one by one. You can download from the web application. So these is a chapter first, that is computer network. After that computer network we have to discuss about our next chapter, that is wait for a while, open source concepts. In this chapter we have to learn and discuss about some open source OSS, FOSS, FLOSS, and cite the different example of open source softwares OSS, and described open document format, and understand character and encoding in Indian languages. Some character codes are there, ASCII, ABCD, IC or extra. Know about open type, true type, and static and dynamic fonts are there. Those number of sessions are there. In this open source concept, that is theory chapters, we have discussed about most of the topics in open source, free open source and free liberal open source softwares are there. After that we will discuss in this term our next chapter after open source, that is graphical user interface programming. Graphical user interface programming, those are also theory chapter, and we will discuss in this chapter, that is NetBeans IDE. All the discussion depends on the NetBeans IDE, integrated development environment, identity, name and stage the usage of different components of the NetBeans IDE. Identify and name the various methods and properties associated with the various forms and controls, that is a platform of graphical user interface programming. We will discuss in this chapter how we can graphically with the programmed with the help of tools and some controls. In this chapter we will discuss and create a simple application using Java, using NetBeans, and create graphical user interface applications, some calculators, some games, some softwares are there, and a stopwatch like that, and some analog or digital watch are there. Create these type of examples with the GUI application using the concept of variables and controls structure using with these. So number of 1 to 3 chapters, those are theory based chapter. We will discuss session wise, day by day, all the chapters with a recorded video. I have to put on a school web channel, Shell Public School YouTube channel. You can subscribe these the channel and subscribe the playlist of information technology class 12th, and regularly you have to update first at the time of put it down YouTube video on YouTube. After that, this link we have to share with your WhatsApp group to you. Okay, so after that, after these chapters, chapter number 4, that is basic of object oriented programming. What is object oriented programming? We will discuss in the chapter number 4. In this chapter we will discuss about understand the need of the object oriented programming, OOP, and define the various terms related the object oriented programming, and identify the features and use the features of OOP languages to develop simple application. So I have to tell you, in previous class most of the OOP concept we have to discuss in chapter number 9 to 11. You can read it carefully, and I'm requesting you all the students, please revise your class 11th all the chapters before you have to attend the chapters of class 12. Read it carefully, have it a book, and prepare the notes regularly with the sessions. Okay, after that chapter number 4, chapter number 5 we have to discuss after this chapter, that is programming. That is advanced programming concept. That is advanced programming concept. That is your next chapter, chapter number 5. In this advanced programming concept, we have to use some classes, objects. We will discuss in this chapter. After that, some advanced programming concept. In this chapter we have to discuss about objects and their usage, appreciate the usage of native classes math and string, understand the need of methods power and round in a math class, understand the need of use of methods of to uppercase, lowercase, substrings and others, developed a small application involving the method learned of math and string classes. So most of the chapters are there. Next session of video I am recorded with the chapter number first, that is networking with you. Okay, be with regular, use regular classes. I am sharing you a YouTube link of school regularly with you. You can subscribe the Shell Public School channel for regular updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.